Established by the illustrious healthcare communication media, Pharma Leaders, the flagship healthcare brand of mainstream media network 7 Media Group. Pharma Leaders is arguably the pioneer in healthcare communications and Asia's most influential healthcare media. The objective of the Pharma Leaders recognition is to honor the mind of the leader and be a part of the celebration. Pharma Leaders Power Brand Awards celebrate the accomplishments and spirit of the healthcare innovations by recognizing the extraordinary achievements of individuals and companies in the areas of best healthcare practice, governance, research and entrepreneurship. Ladies and gentlemen, our greatest strengths have been our ability to spot innovations and value the spirit of pioneering efforts, our bold willingness to defy conventional norms and solve issues that people consider tough, our confidence in the future and refusal to be bound by the present. Our motto has been to be endlessly positive and eager to tackle problems, to address the needs and unlock the potential of healthcare innovations and innovators. Ladies and gentlemen, Pharma Leaders do what others fail to do: recognize and reward innovation, encourage experiments and pilots, and create a non-punitive environment. Over the last 1 decade, Pharma Leaders Power Brand Awards symbolize the persistence and excellence in inspiring the region's drive to remain in the forefront of innovation, creativity, and ingenuity in the healthcare global innovations by recognizing and honoring innovators and defining excellence. It unwaveringly continues its passionate journey of celebrating the indigenous achievements of leaders and organizations that have made significant difference to their profession, industry, and to healthcare progress regionally and globally. By focusing on merits, innovations, rich healthcare leadership, rewarding best practices, and recognizing outstanding contributors, Pharma Leaders Awards put the spotlight is on those leaders and organizations which have really excelled, as well as the stories that they have created to build a stronger and healthier India. The institution Pharma Leaders honors the principles and prominent leadership of the healthcare global leaders, decision makers, and various organizations that are path breakers of leadership excellence. It focuses on the remarkable achievements and noteworthy influence of the Pharma Leaders, and also throws light on the pivotal role played by the iconic healthcare leaders in leading the healthcare transformation to the threshold of the new world. It aims to make a quantum leap and a comprehensive approach in the performance of all those who have contributed immensely to make their vision a great success and who were able to take the maximum advantage of the opportunities available to them regionally and internationally and making the best out of those opportunities. We are happy today when we notice the rise of companies in healthcare to honor the achievers. In the early stage of our momentous journey, we recognized the veterans and legends who are now no more, but our spirit of leadership are still reverberating in the reception of companies. Late Dr. Parvinder Singh of Ranbaxy, who built India's first MNC, Dr. Anji Reddy of Dr. Reddy's Labs, Mr. Indravadan A. Modi of Cadila, Mr. Jagdish Saxena of Elder Pharmaceuticals, or the former Drug Controller General of India, DCGI, Dr. M. Venkateswarlu, are the few notable names. The current thespian legendary Pharma Leaders who are responsible for building the India image, like Dr. Yusuf K. Hamid of Cipla, Dr. Habil Kuraikiwala of Work Hard, Mr. Samprada Singh of Alchem Laboratories, Dr. D.B. Gupta of Lupin, or Mr. Suresh Kare of Indoco Remedies are in the list of Pharma Leaders Winners Library. Pharma Leaders Magazine, India's first opinion-based and research-driven bi-monthly magazine, was facilitated more than 500 companies and has created world-class platform in the form of summit where discussions are on burning issues. The historic pharmaceutical leadership summits has been addressed by some of the crucial topics of great significance by the industry leaders, policy makers, academia, etc. The defining moments with Pharma Leaders attempt to focus year after year is to enhance the communication of the industry and the government. Pharma Leaders Business Leadership Awards has been presented to the top performers and shining stars of the Indian healthcare industry year after year. The aim is to encourage and motivate the pharma leaders to achieve greater success in coming days. These set of awards are determined by a credible award mechanism under the supervision of prominent juries. Ladies and gentlemen, Pharma Leader jury arrived at the final 6 nominees for their leadership position in their respective fields after a scrutiny and a detailed research by a team of researchers and experts that are followed year after years at the Pharma Leaders Annual Award editions, thereby making the process very credible and transparent. We are often asked by the nominees as they are surprised when they see their list of final countdown. Pharma Leaders believe in initiatives that are path-breaking, innovative and offbeat. We don't need to please the established leaders. Rather, we challenge the status quo. We recognize leaders who make the system and establishment proud, and our attempt is to chase after leaders who are unique, dynamic, aggressive and speak the language that we love. Change agent. Ladies and gentlemen, you may be wondering how we choose you. The answer is that we sent out a team of healthcare research experts, analysts and industry experts on a global hunt for companies and entrepreneurs achieving dual excellence in 2 critical areas: customer value and growth success. Put another way, we were searching for a woman healthcare leader that not only had a vision to make the company a unique and distinctive, but to use strategies, insights to achieve growth above the industry average. We asked our global network of consultants and analysts to monitor, screen and analyze creative practices within their regions. We spoke to industry peers. We vetted our findings with an independent board of directors. At the end of our process, we select one leader standing out from the rest. Our attempt is to bring the leaders and companies who have been working remarkably well in tough conditions without financial aids in their respective field, without any public recognitions and media glare. This is the area of innovations where Pharma Leaders Power Brand Awards make the difference, said Satya Brahma while announcing the names of the winners. Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath, pause in silence. We are about to surprise you and give you something that you have waited for years. Yes, here are the nominations for the 9th Annual Pharmaceutical Leadership Summit and Business Leadership Awards 2016.